Yeah, so we start by just planning it out and trying to figure out what's going to be best for your business and depending on your budget and your scenario and all those types of things, and start answering questions about what could you tolerate in terms of downtime. Is that a week? Is that a day? Is that a couple of hours? And based off of that, then we can start planning to see what's going to happen. So, for example, if we have a disaster with your server, which could be a hurricane, it could be hardware malfunction, and it could be some person that's, maybe a virus or somebody accidentally just kicks the machine or something. In each of those scenarios, the disaster is different, and you're going to handle it differently in each of those types of responses. So, with the natural disaster, moving the server to an alternate location, having alternative power and internet is going to be a good solution for that. However, that's not going to help me if there's an equipment malfunction. None of that's going to matter for that. So at that point, I want to have other redundancies in place, like a battery backup system, redundant hardware. Maybe it's another piece of server equipment sitting somewhere else that's either ready to go or it's ready to go in just a short amount of time.